All right, today we're going to bring a little sofa. Now, this piece came out of here because this has Velcro. You guys can see that it's well secured when it comes in here. And the rest of the stuff and tools are also behind here in this one, all right? So we're going to put it together and see how it looks. All right, when we're putting it together, this is the order of the screw for the leg, all right? For the first leg. The back legs, you got to have to push them in here through here, right? Don't put them out here. You got to actually find the square part. See how it bends in there? This has to go in here. So make sure you're aware of that because, or the screw's not going to go in. See how I'm doing this? And then just hit it slowly. Let it fall in there. And you're ready. The back ones are the curved ones. The straight ones are going to be the front ones, all right? Couch can see two people, right? It was very simple to put together. It took me about 30 minutes to put together. It just took a couple of screws to tighten up the whole thing. Everything was well packed. Everything was packed in itself. So the headboard was underneath the other board and so forth. It came very compact. Didn't need to wait to fluff. Strong legs. I weigh about 200 pounds and this thing has no problems with my weight. So as you can see, the first animal that jumped on it was my cat. So she loves new stuff, fancy stuff. She's a little fancy cat. So they have different colors, different styles, but we choose this one because it matches our environment here. So you could set that up as your ambiance for your entrance, for living room, or anywhere, even in bathrooms. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.